He liked that.
He's legit eating mac and cheese.
Here we go. I told Jason he better not let Andy get sick on my macaroni and cheese.
Is it mac and cheese?
Yes. He like macaroni and cheese like his papa.
That is the cutest thing ever.
Ain't that cute?
Hello, baby.
Hey, teach him how to say macaroni and cheese. So he can ask for macaroni and cheese. Say macaroni. Macaroni.
Or just mac and
Can
cheese.
you still teach him to say stuff?
Mm-hmm.
You can.
You know what that sound means? That sound means, oh,
What?
it's good.
It's good.
It's got his beak.
That is too cute. Come
Hello,
on, baby. Come on, baby.
Here we go.
What does it mean when he goes, eh? Like the...
The system chirping.
Hey, he's saying that macaroni good. He's like, that's pretty
Look,
tasty.
he's looking at you.
Come on.
That is too cute.
So he doesn't get sick.
That's what I told Jason. He better not get sick and be like, I gave Rose's macaroni and cheese and made my bird sick.
He'll be, if you see that thing of butter there, he'll go down and get that butter.
Really?
Otherwise, it's good.
He's still doing
He's
it.
like, it's better than nuts. It's good. Good? Good? He's like, who is all these people just staring at me?
I think his
Hey, baby.
main focus
Well,
is that mac and
Jason,
cheese.
when you teach him to talk, what do? You just say something to him repeatedly or something?
Hi there.
That's how he learns?
Yeah,
Hi.
just sit there and talk to him.
Wow.
These
That's good. He wants some more, Jason.
Ow, no one's hurting you.
Ow, you hear him? Ow! Ow!
And
Hi there.
birds don't like to be
Hi there.
held upside down.
How you
With their
doing?
feet up in the air, but
Oh.
he'll let me.
Can I pet him?
Because their belly is not as strong as their back.
Okay.
Mind if I pet him?
Will he let you pet him?
He's a
And
good
it's so
bird.
funny. It's so funny. Every day, right before Jason gets ready to come home, he can be quiet all day. But it's like
Hello, baby.
right before it's time for Jason to come.
Hi there.
Start talking.
How you doing?
He like, Papa on the way.
And this mark on his beak here,
Uh-huh.
on his beak there,
Yeah.
that's from his crazy behind running into Fan.
Achoo!
No.
Achoo!
And I had my bedroom fan on.
Achoo!
I had my fan on.
Achoo!
You know, his
Achoo!
big cage that's right
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me take him and put him back in bed.
He's like,